Hello guys, welcome to the series of concept wise previous year question, and today we'll do questions based on ascending descending order. Ascending descending order. So question have come on this topic in July 19, December 19 as well as in December 19. Two questions had come. So let's see which one of the following is in descending order. We need to find the descending order. Like the numbers has to be in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If at all in any option, if it is something like 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, then we can simply say these are not in descending order. So we can neglect this option. We can cancel out that option. Looking at the first option is like 3 point something, 3, 3, 3. This is 30. So this is the biggest one. It has to come at the very first place. So this option cannot be the correct option because it has to be at the very first place. Now in these all three options, 30.5 is at the very first place. These all are okay. If you look at the third option and these two numbers, 3.05, 3.055, like if you need to compare these two numbers, after decimal equal number of digits has to be there. This is after decimal 2 digits are there, after decimal 3 digits are there. So make it 3 digits by placing 0. Now if you see this is 3.050, this is 0.55, so it's like this is more than that, so it has to come before that and this has to go after that. So that cannot be the correct option. And if you look at the fourth option, this is 3.05, 3.05, 3.055, 3.055. The options have repeated. These two numbers have repeated in their respective places, in different places. So again, this is not the correct order. This has to come here and this has to come here. So this cannot be the correct option. This is the correct. Now let's check. See, this is the biggest number. This is the smallest number. So they are correct at their places. Now this is 3 point something. The confusion remains to be in this only. Like after decimal, in all make the digits equal. This is 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Here only 2 digits. Make it 3 digits. This is 3.500. If you call it numerically, this is 500. This is 55. This is 50, and this is 5. After decimal, after decimal the numbers are in decreasing order only. So this remains to be the correct option. So this is one question which had come in December 19. Let's see. In which of the following lengths have been arranged in descending order? So these are the lengths given in millimeter, centimeter, decimeter and meter. What we need to do is arrange in descending order. For that, what we need to know is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100. Now centimeter is nothing but 10 millimeter. That is 1000 millimeter. Then 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. This is 1 meter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter as well as 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. The difference is in centimeter and millimeter. This is 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. Now coming to this, if you see second and third number, this is 800 centimeter. Now 1 meter is 100. Now what about 800? That will be 8 meter plus this is 8 millimeter. Now coming to third number, this is 80 decimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. So 80 decimeter will be 80 into 10, that is 800 centimeter. Now we know 800 centimeter is nothing but 8 meter plus this 8 centimeter. Now coming to this 8 meter, these two are equal. 8 millimeter, 8 centimeter. This is more. So anyhow, this is more than that. It has to come before, this has to go after. So this cannot be in descending order. Now coming to second option, this is 8 meter directly. This is 800 centimeter, this is 8 meter plus 8 millimeter, where this is only 8 meter. Comparing this is 8 millimeter extra more than the previous number. So it has to go before and this has to go after. So this cannot be in descending order. Now coming to third option, again here this is 8 meter, this is 80 decimeter, 8 centimeter. Here also, here only we saw this is nothing but 8 meter plus 8 centimeter. Compared to this, the previous number, first number, this is 8 centimeter more than the previous number. So it has to go before, this has to go after. Anyhow, so this cannot be the option in descending order. So fourth option is correct. This is in descending order. So this is one question which had come in December 19. Let's see. Which of the following is at third place when the numbers are arranged in ascending order? So we have to arrange in ascending order. It has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So least number will come at the very first place. Max number will go at the last place. So coming between this, this is 7 point something, 7 point something, 7. This is 0 point something. So it is the least number among all these. So this is at the first place anyhow. Now between this, all are 7 point something. To compare them, what we need to do is after decimal equal number of digits has to be there. So this is 0.070, comma 7.700, comma 7.707, comma 7.007. Why I placed 0 over here is to make it 3 digits after decimal. Here also 3 digits after decimal. Now this is like 7.70. Numerically this is 70 saying will be wrong. Still saying it. 70. This is 700. This is 7, not 7. Only 7. So this is at second place, the second highest. Whereas this is the third highest. It is asking third place. First place, second place, third place. 7.07. 7.07, third option is the at third place when these numbers are arranged in ascending order.